My name is Phil. I graduated in 2022 from Maharishiand University. I did my schooling from Delhi and my college from Haryana. Initially, I did my graduation from the business side. I was a BBA student, so I got interested in like tech and programming. So that's when I came across a news article wherein they said that data science is one of the best careers to go forward to in order to, transition as somebody from a non-tech background. So naturally, I gravitated towards it. Once I started learning a little bit about data science, I got introduced to Learnbay, and so I talked to one of the faculty members, and I really liked what Learnbay was offering me. So I basically joined Learnbay, and Learnbay was very good in the sense that they had a very structured learning program. They take someone who is an absolute beginner and train them over the course of like 12 to 16 months, and they provide them all the necessary information and all the necessary knowledge that is needed to make a successful transition to data science or to any other career path. One of the best ways through which Learnbay has helped me is by offering one-on-one mentorship coaching. Whenever I had any kinds of doubts related to my subject, if I had for example, I did not understand many deep learning concepts at the first. So the facility that Learnbay would provide is that they would allow me to get one-on-one coaching with mentors and with industry leaders, with people who actually work as data scientists and data engineers within the industry. So they were able to help me navigate through all my doubts, and they were able to clear all my problems whenever I had any sort of confusion. So Learnbay was really a magical experience. Everybody was very, very helpful. Project sessions, the weekly project sessions that were done for our batch, it was done by Sundaram Sir. He is an excellent faculty member. So his projects, I placed multiple of his projects within the resume that I sent to the company which I am working right now, and I can definitely say that the class of the projects was able to it played a major part in me getting shortlisted and eventually getting selected into the company.